We provide a complete suite of financial services: seamless account opening, Aadhaar-enabled payments, domestic money transfer, BBPS bill payments, and instant mobile recharge. Everything your customers need, all in one platform. Getting started is simple. We'll guide you through every step, from understanding our comprehensive service offerings to calculating your investment. Whether you're a first-time entrepreneur or expanding your existing business, we make it easy and affordable. Our technology backbone includes everything you need to operate professionally. Get a feature-rich admin portal for complete business control, a customizable white-label solution to build your brand identity, and robust APIs with SDK integration for seamless operations. We provide both software development support and ready-to-deploy solutions. Your business runs on both web and Android platforms, giving your customers flexibility and convenience. Everything you need to compete with the biggest players in the market, under your own brand. Ready to transform your future? Start your fintech journey today. Call us now at 797-698-4309 and take the first step toward building your own digital finance empire.